So today we're going to talk about safety features that are installed on our Apex VRC systems. And to start with, the most important feature is our secondary brake device by Stark that allows us to catch the carriage in the event of a fall. And so these are installed on both sides of the carriage frame along the towers and travel with the unit and make sure that in the event of a fall, we catch the VRC and stop it dead in its tracks so that nobody's injured, and also so that no material falls out of the carriage or is damaged during the event of a fall. So the next feature we utilize for safety to make sure that a load doesn't fall out of the carriage is an interior safety gate welded and installed right on the carriage itself. And what that allows us to do is make sure that pallets that are put on the carriage are safely secured while the carriage is traveling down to the next floor or back up again to the main floor. Also on the outside paneling, we have gates installed to make sure that the employee that's operating the VRC doesn't fall into the VRC shaft as the load is being transferred to the lower level. So to make sure that we have extra protection for the employee operating the VRC, we've got those gates that come down as that load is transferred. Just like any overhead door, we have sensors installed at the base of the carriage to make sure that material isn't in the way as you try to close the doors. Another feature we have is a load cell installed to make sure that the operator doesn't put too much weight on the carriage at once. This maintains the safety of the system and makes sure that you're not overdoing it with the size of load that you're trying to transfer. So these are the standard safety features on all of our Apex VRCs. If you'd like to learn more, go to our website or reach out to a sales professional.